Welcome to mini lesson number 1 for this session, introducing social and emotional learning. There are many areas of concerns in schools today, just as we've seen in the readings and videos, like the one you just watched on the school to prison pipeline. What are some ways to intervene in this cycle of militarizing and dehumanizing our students in schools? Instead of a punishment-based mindset for schools, an alternative is a mindset to build and restore caring communities within classrooms or within teams to serve as a foundation to create strong and resilient learners. During the next few weeks of this course, we will be examining some of today's proposed solutions to addressing some of the rising concerns we've been discussing throughout our course. You will have a chance to reflect on what you think about ideas over the next few weeks through online reflections to go along with each session of the course. During this week's learning module, you will be exploring many strands that schools are building upon to grow their social-emotional learning foundation for students to increase their sense of belonging and community within safe spaces for them to thrive and increase academic achievement in their classrooms, or to thrive and increase potential for peak performance in their athletic coaching environments. According to CASEL, the Collaborative for Academic, Social, and Emotional Learning, social and emotional learning, or SEL programs, have been studied for years and previously have shown immediate improvements in mental health, social skills, and academic achievement. A recent look at the continued benefit to students for months and even years to come was conducted through a look at multiple research studies according to a 2017 meta-analysis from CASEL, which is, again, the Collaborative for Academic, Social, and Emotional Learning, as well as the University of Illinois at Chicago, Loyola University, and the University of British Columbia. They found that up to 18 years later, students exposed to social emotional learning in school continued to do better than their peers on a number of indicators: positive social behaviors and attitudes, skills such as empathy and teamwork, and academics. They also have fewer conduct problems, less emotional distress, and lower drug use, among many other benefits. The analysis looked at 82 research studies involving about 100,000 students in the US and abroad. You will be exploring many strands that schools are building upon to grow their social emotional learning for students to increase their sense of safe learning spaces for higher achievement throughout this series of mini lessons during this module. You will begin your exploration of this session on social emotional learning with a short introductory video produced by CASEL, the Collaborative for Academic, Social, and Emotional Learning. As you click on the links below this first mini lesson, you will be exploring the CASEL website to see explanations of social emotional learning and view some videos to illustrate what is entailed in creating this kind of supportive learning environment. Now, take a few minutes to read through the information in the link to the CASEL website and to click on the video clips that website includes.